Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM presents.
Hi, this is Ravina Tandon on Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM. It's hot. I've been working since I was 15 years old. वहाँ से लेके आज तक बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन्ड रहा था मेरा स्केड्यूल. तो मैंने गॉट प्रेग्नेंट ऐसे नहीं यार, ये टाइम मैं अपने आप को एंजॉय करूंगी. जो मैंने नहीं खाया इतने साल शूटिंग करने के, मैं सब कुछ खाया, मैं बहुत ऐश किया. एंड देन जैसे कि मैंने कहा, हर चीज का टाइम आता है, आप वो भी इंजॉय कीजिए अपनी प्रेगनेंसी. डिसिप्लिन आई डिडंट कीप, इतना डिसिप्लिन होके भी ग्रिल्ड स्टीम बेक खाने के बाद भी आई पुट ऑन इक्वल नंबर ऑफ वेट, सेम जो मैंने अनडिसिप्लिन्ड होके मेरी फर्स्ट प्रेगनेंसी में किया था. एंड देन व्हेन इट केम टू लूजिंग द बेबी वेट, तो आई डू इट एट माई ओन पेस. थोड़ा सा ट्रेडमिल, कभी स्विमिंग, कभी एरोबिक्स, कभी ये सब कर लिया. इट्स वेरी इजी टू लूज बेबी वेट अगर आप इमीडिएटली अपना ध्यान रखें तो. आप उसको जाने देते हैं तो वो टिक जाता है. I have pictures of the premiere of Majboor, where I'm sitting in my papa's lap and Bachchan Saab is sitting next to us, Jaya ji is sitting next to us, and I'm in papa's godi. There I must be 3.5 or 4. Then during Khuddar, and once I remember he was doing a scene, a very serious scene, courtroom scene in Khuddar, and they were shooting, and his look was, it was a courtroom scene, and I nicely went and sat in the judge's chair. You know how it is, na, to have fun, and as usual gaping at Bachchan Saab. And he had very serious dialogue to say, standing there and in the witness box and looking at the judges, this thing, and giving his dialogue straight. He looked at me first. I was too thrilled. Okay, he's saying all his dialogues, looking at me only, and I'm too cool, and I'm the judge, and 8-year-old can think of a lot of things. And then after the third or fourth take, then Bachchan Saab said, Ravina वहाँ बैठ रही है और वो मुझे जज कर रही है, Ravi Babu. We used to call my father Ravi Babu always. So Papa said, what are you doing there? I said, no, I just came to sit down. But I mean, like a true genius, even if someone's gaping at you or looking at you, but his dialogues are fine. I mean, not once did he say, beta tum वहाँ से उठ के यहाँ जाओ, मेरी look disturb हो रही है, anything. Never. But he gave whatever he had to. That is what it is, true genius. बहुत ऑपोजिशन फेस किया मैंने, क्योंकि इनफैक्ट जब मैंने शूल साइन की, तो आई रिमेंबर राम गोपाल वर्मा, रामूजी सिंह, क्लियरली द डायरेक्टर हु टोटली बिलीव्ड इन मी, ई नवाज. हाउ कैन यू मेक her do? Whenever I see her, her image comes too strongly in front of her. I only think of कहीं जिसको में जाए रखियों से गोली मारे. That's what he said. And I remember E Nawaz told me, कि I'm facing opposition with Ramuji. How are you going to do this role? I said, one, you have to give someone a chance first to believe whether that person can do it or not. And Shool was also very, very widely accepted, very well accepted, very well appreciated my performance in that film as well. They said, okay, we'll do a photo shoot first to see, if you're getting into the character. And I remember the shoot was at Rakesh Rishta's. And I got dressed in that sari and the typical, Bihari, that orange sindoor and everything, and I walked out. Ramuji was going to the washroom, and I walked out from my makeup room to go there. And I said, hi Ramuji. And he looked at me and gave me a very vague smile and moved on. Then I was ready to shoot, and Sinu and Rakesh started. And in the meanwhile, suddenly we heard a voice, oh my god, Ravina, that's you? Oh my god, I did not recognize you. I said, see Ramuji, now what do you think? What happened to Akhiyon se goli mare, Yeah. So that was the kind of opposition I actually faced, because people were too afraid that full glamour, item girl, that whole image of just song and dance will come right in front of their eyes, and I won't be able to make the shift. फिर दौरान ऐसा आ गया कि एक जगह अक्स रिलीज हो रही है, एक जगह शूल रिलीज हो रही है, एक जगह दमन रिलीज हो रही है, एक दूसरे सिनेमा में दुल्हे राजा रिलीज हो रही है, So my serious films and my commercial films were being released and working very well together. The way Chandigarh Ki Star is shot, the way it is put in the film, is the introduction of the character was required, I think, to a certain degree. पहले गाना नहीं था, it was supposed to be only a theme song. कि जब भी मैं स्क्रीन पे आती हूँ, ये गाना आता है. Vishal Shekhar ji and everyone saw the film, and I think Puri saw the film. They all called me and said, listen, you're looking too good, yeah, and we've all decided that you have to do the song, because I mean वो तेरा forte रह चुका है, and you have to do it. So I think it was a decision taken in one day, and not that I had time to think करूँ नहीं करूँ, डर लगेगा नहीं लगेगा. I was just on the floor the next day. And things have always happened like that for me. Even when I signed Patthar Ke Phool, the decision was done in one day and the next day I was shooting. It's kind of always worked out and then it's been appreciated, तो सोने पे सुहागा ही हुआ है.